As a Canadian Olympic snowboarder, Kaylin Irwin has traveled all over the world. But when she's not competing, she has a different teammate to take on new adventures. Her favorite travel companion, the new Mazda 3. Featuring genuine Mazda accessories designed to offer style, comfort, and quality. These are the only accessories built to the same standard as your Mazda. With remote engine start, Kaylin can preheat or pre-cool her vehicle from up to 2,000 feet or 610 meters away. With the stylish illuminated scuff plates and welcoming LED ambient interior light kit, she knows that she's not just stepping into any car. She's stepping into a vehicle that keeps her ready for any road she chooses to explore. A vehicle that keeps her QI-compatible smartphone charged with a built-in wireless charger, and a range of stylish alloy wheels that not only personalizes her Mazda, but also transports her from adventure to adventure, or wherever her dreams take her. With a car equipped with a flexible, durable, and easy-to-clean cargo tray to tote any equipment, custom-fitted all-weather mats to guard against water, mud, and more, and a roof-mounted bike rack to securely carry her bike wherever she wishes to go, Kaylin's Mazda 3 gives her the freedom to conquer new paths of adventure and never stop exploring.